Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can find your Spotify 2022 rap. In this time of the year where you come closer to the new year, Spotify is usually wrap your musics or your songs that you listen into in Spotify and make it like in an image or like in summary, and here is where you find those rap. So first you need to open your Spotify, and if you open it like this time of the year, you can find it in here. There is a Spotify rap, and here is my 2022 rap, so you can just click on that and it will be play like this, and you'll see your 2022 rap. So you can see your top songs, your top artists, and also your top genre like this. And then here you can also see this is my top genre, and then you can also find the top artists. Okay, you can just find it in here like this. Okay, you can see now I play one song this times, and then okay, you can just click on that, and here Spotify also may be my top artist, you can see. Okay, so that's basically how you can find your 2022 rap. It's so easy, and I think you need to open your Spotify now to get it. And that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.